Everything lit. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Donna, 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 Donna. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already see what we got here. Like I said, I told y'all I got a new lamp. And of course, who other than to get it from Notpolish. Now, originally, I was going to get the little Kiara Sky one, but I was like, too many people having these mixed reviews and all this. I was like, no ma'am, no sir. So, of course, I waited until, Notpolish came out with their white version because I didn't want the big red, I didn't want Clifford on the disc. So, of course, I got the Ivory, which is white. And what made me get it, like, seriously get it, Jen made me get it, y'all. Seriously, her video with the new drill, I was like, dang, this is a sign. Go ahead and get it. And so I was like, yeah, I was going to use Jen's code, but I purchased this during the Labor Day sale, so the better discount was 25% versus hers. So yeah. But the next time I do decide to purchase, I am going to make sure I use Jen's code, which is Jen. So for anybody who's, shop Notpolish, make sure y'all use Jen's code. Yes. Big things comes to those who wait. That is amazing. I am super excited and happy for her. But let's get into this lamp. Now, off the bat, I thought it was going to be bigger. I'm not even going to lie. I thought it was going to be bigger. I don't know why, but I thought it was going to be just a tad bit bigger. Now, I wish I would have had some nails on so I can, show y'all if they fit, the girls who wear 3XL, extendos type of length. But for the most part, it's a decent size lamp. But I just feel like that I wanted mine just to be a little bit bigger. That's for me. My old lamp is definitely not it's not going to be discarded, but it's going to be used for toes and things like that. But for this, nobody using this lamp but me. I'm telling y'all, my brand new white lamp, ain't nobody using this. No fingerprints, no name. I actually scared myself. You will see in the video what I'm talking about. I thought I messed the top of it up, but overall, actually, it's only been the first couple of hours and I like it so far. But I'm just gonna let y'all dissecting this. I'm gonna show y'all what all come in here, let y'all read a little bit. Let me stop talking, let y'all just soak this in, because yes, I got me a Notpolish lamp, of course. Alright y'all, so this is what this bad boy looking like. I am so in love with this. The biggest thing for me is, y'all know how the nail lamps be making that noise, and so that ding when you put your hand in and out or click buttons. This one it's so quiet. It's not all that noise. Because hearing that sound repeatedly is so annoying for me. But this is what the nail lamp look like. Like I said, I am in love, y'all. I just hope that they come out with the white drill for this. Currently, today is like September the 10th, I think, maybe the 11th, whatever today's date is. Like I said, I did purchase this during the Labor Day sale. I got 25% off, but I'm just gonna be, swatching some Notpolish gel polishes. Now these, I already swatched these before, but my swatches was messed up because I forgot to top coat them, and I'm just not realizing that. And of course, this is a perfect time to do that. Why not? A full not polished video. Got the lamp. Now I'm finna do some swatches with their gel polish. Now these gel polish came from their that I think it's the mystery box last year. Now y'all know how the mystery box went. Now this first one is called Nude Panther. It's some specs or something in here. Like, I've never used them. All I did was swatch them the first time, and it was the same way. Y'all see Nude Panther has like spots and stuff in there. Now I didn't make a complaint about any of this because I was just like, you get what you pay for. It is what it is. But yeah, you will see that the top coat even had like chunks or whatever in them, and I didn't know what that was. I just thought it was because maybe it was old inventory, because I'm going to show y'all the bottom of the bottle. It looked like it said June 2022. I don't know if that was supposed to be the expiration date of when to sell it or when to like throw it out, but yeah, not too long ago, it's just not even been a year of having that product, but you never know, because they could have that product sitting on the shelves, etc., etc. But overall, I am loving this lamp. It's so quiet, and I realized at the end of the video that when you turn it on, the NP on the front lights. So I was like, ooh, okay, this is cute, this is nice. But overall, I love it, and I don't have any complaints so far. But you will see, I tried out the little acetone resistant thing. I put a little gel polish or whatnot on top, and I don't know if I can get a clear glimpse of it towards the end, but it did make some kind of little marks into the lamp. I thought I ruined it, but if that happens to you, take you some alcohol and like a lint-free wipe and wipe it down, and then it'll get rid of those little scratches or whatever thing you left on the nail lamp, which scared me because I thought I messed it up already, the first 2 seconds of having it, but I fixed it. Just put alcohol on top of it. Now I don't know about the acetone, that scared me. It looked weird, I guess, since it's white versus Big Clifford. That's what I like to call it. I don't know what the red one's called, but I call it Big Clifford because it's a red. Now online, these lamps be looking huge, but they're really compact and it's very cute and nice. And overall, like I said, these are pretty decent. Now I know how people feel about buying things, but spend your money on electronics, like your drill. Oh, this is what I want to talk about. Like Notpolish coming out with their drill. I'm waiting on the dust collector because I need somebody to compete with Kiara Scott for real, because I want to see Notpolish come out with a dust collector, and I'm finna be blowing them up like, y'all got these drills, y'all got these lamps, what dust collector is? That's what I'm waiting on, the dust collector. So I did go in with 2 coats, and now I'm going to be taking that top coat or whatever and just showing y'all will see. It was, I don't know, like you will see the little chunks in it when I swatch it. So this is a Notpolish top coat I got, and like at the bottom it says June 22. I'm guessing that's when it's supposed to expire or something like that, or that's when they're supposed to sell it or whatever. But yeah, back to the electronics. Invest in that. Now this drill I think is retailed at $239, but you can do Afterpay, Klarna, whatever, all this stuff. But I got 25% off, so this nail lamp was $175. That is cheap. That is real cheap. I'm telling y'all, that's real cheap for a nail lamp. And that's what I'm saying, like, invest in good quality electronics. Of course, you can get off with doing some cheap acrylics and like maybe monomer or whatever, but electronics, brushes, like those are like the things, spend some money on them, okay? And so I would say I can't like really 100% review this because I only had it for a day. But maybe around next year, or after, let's say 6 months, I'll come back and do it updated, then a year, and so on and so forth. A little journey of the little nail lamp. Because you can't go off a review that somebody just had for a dang day. So that's why I don't really go off the hype. That's why I didn't hop on the stands of Kiara Sky as when it first released, because I see a lot of people within 6 months are saying, they got some problems with the lamp. That's why I waited. And of course, I haven't seen no bad reviews on the Notpolish lamp, and it's been out for a minute now. So that's why I went out and got it. So I would say, do your research before you just hop on the bandwagon, the train of everybody, loving this and that and the third. But here's what the polishes are looking like. I showed y'all what they look like on their website. You can just type that in. Of course, it'll pop up. And I really enjoyed this nail lamp. And of course, I'm just going to wait. I don't need a new drill. I have my regular drill and I have 2 backups, so I won't be getting no drill no time soon. But this lamp was a must, and I actually love it. Now, I know I didn't go into details about it because there's a lot of reviews of people showing it, talking in detail about it. I just wanted to show y'all the new product I got, and that's about it. So here I'm just going to be showing y'all, I tried a little, see what it was about if I would have wasted something. I was scared because I didn't want to mess it up. This is my new baby, okay? Nobody's putting their hand in this lamp. I'm telling y'all, I'm using my old lamp on everybody's nails that I do because these people are disrespectful. This lamp costs too much for you to be bumping your hand, doing all this extra stuff, and you not being careful. So I did put acetone on top, and you see I'm gonna be rubbing. Do y'all see? I might be crazy or weird, but do y'all see it left little marks or whatever? But anyways, that's not important. Like I said, alcohol fixed it right up, and it came, it got back fixed back to a regular color or whatever. But that's basically all I want to show y'all. This is real quick and everything, but we're gonna get back to our nails and stuff in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any Notpolish products, let me know how y'all feel about this brand, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.